So after watching this video, you want to take this and bin it. Hello ladies, welcome to another video. My name is Ayanime and today's video is all about skincare. Certain skincare mistakes that you're making that is likely affecting your skincare journey. I collated these mistakes from certified dermatologists and estheticians, so it's not just from any skincare expert, okay? But before I get right into the video, if this is your first time, do subscribe. But if you are already a subscriber, thank you so much for being a part of this community. Ladies, I am not going to go into depth about why you should have a skincare routine or start your skincare journey if you haven't started. I'll just give you a quick run through. The first is that you will age beautifully. The skin is the largest organ in the body, and when you take care of it, it will reward you later on in the future. Number two is that it's going to boost your self-confidence. You're going to be able to talk to people. I know how I felt when I had serious acne on my skin and I couldn't talk to people, make eye contact. It wasn't very good. So great skin boosts your self-confidence. Number three, it is a good investment. You're not going to spend so much on makeup. Trust me, you won't. You're going to want to flaunt your skin. My skin is not even where I want it to be. But when I compare it now to where I'm coming from, my goodness, I couldn't even be bothered about makeup anymore. I want to flaunt my skin as often as possible. So you're going to save on makeup. Number four is that it is part of your self-care. It is important. And I've talked about self-care over and over and over on this channel. So your skincare routine, applying your products, taking care of your skin and watching it reward you is part of your self-care journey. Now that I have that out of the way, let's quickly jump right into the mistakes you're making so that you can start working on correcting them. Number one, working with just any skincare expert. When I started my skincare journey, the first person I worked with, I had such a horrible experience with her. She would give me products that were so harsh that my skin will be burning. I'll complain, my skin is burning, and she'll say, oh no, that's what it's supposed to do. That's when the product is working. She would give me a facial with active acne on my skin. It wasn't good for me at all. But when I started working with certified dermatologists and experts, I got to realize that their approach to skincare is different. The first thing was when I went into the clinic, I had a consultation and then I was told that I had active acne on my skin. So they were not going to do anything until my acne was under control. And they gave me products for that. 2 weeks later, all the active breakouts I had on my skin was gone, completely gone. And that was when we started working on the other areas regarding my skincare. So you need to work with the right person. It can be expensive. That's fine. Save up for it. Consider it an investment. But make sure that whoever you're working with, when it comes to your skin, is the right person. Not somebody who is just attaching experts to their name when they know nothing about skincare. Another thing to consider when working with a skincare specialist is that if you have black skin, it is always advisable for you to work with a dermatologist or an esthetician who also has black skin, because our composition is different and they will know how to treat you better compared to working with a white dermatologist. If I am not being politically correct by saying white and black, my apologies, okay? Number two, not knowing your skin type. Your skin type informs you on the type of product to use on your skin. You cannot be someone that has an oily skin and you're using a product that is meant for people with dry skin. You cannot have a combination skin and you're using a product that is meant for an oily person's skin. At the core of it, you have to know your skin type. And there's a quick exercise that can help you do this. You want to wash your face, pat it dry and leave it for about an hour. If oil comes out on this area like this while hair remains dry, then you have a combination skin. If your entire face remains dry, then you have a dry skin. But if your entire face becomes oily, then you have an oily skin. That's a very quick way you can know what your skin type is. Number three, this right here, using facial wipes. This is horrible for your skin. I never knew how bad it is until I started following a dermatologist on Instagram. The way she preaches against this, I'm beginning to understand why. Your skin is all about elasticity. And if you have had any clothes that had elastic in it, you get to understand that over time, it relaxes, it slacks, right? That is the way your skin is. This motion of doing this on your skin is detrimental to your skin in the long run. So you want to avoid using facial wipes at all costs. And when I say facial wipes, that include baby wipes. Anything that is of this nature is not good for your skin at all. So I'm sure you're wondering, if I cannot use facial wipes, what can I use to take off my makeup? Double cleansing. You want to use an oil-based cleanser and then your normal facial wash to clean your face. An oil-based cleanser will break whatever makeup you have on, whether it is highlight, contour, you added 20 layers of eyeshadow, whatever it is. Once you use an oil-based cleanser, you apply it on your face, it's going to break down all of that. Please don't listen to this and then you go use baby oil and coconut oil, okay? You want to use skincare product that is tailored for that because you don't want your pores to get clogged. Double cleanse. It is the best way to go. Number 4, applying your skincare product the wrong way. For this particular point, I am going to use my sunscreen to show you what I mean by the wrong way and the right way. So we've been taught to just put your product into your palms, rub it together, and just go like that. No, you don't want to do that. What you want to do is you want to mold the product onto your skin by being gentle on your skin. So you want to go like that. That is how you apply your product. And even if you want to use the circular motion, you want to go very gently, right? You're not a bricklayer, okay? So be gentle with your skin. And when it comes to your neck, don't take it down. Remember, elastic. After a couple of years, you're going to hate yourself. What you want to do is you want to take it up, okay? Apply it with an upward motion like that. And then mold it into your skin, being gentle around your eyes. Okay, don't go doing that. This place is very sensitive, so you want to be very gentle with it, and then you just go like that. That is the right way to apply your skincare product. Number 5, using a towel on your face. The kind of bacteria you can find on your facial towel is scary, especially if you don't sun it outside. Maybe you use it to clean your face or wash your face and then you just rinse it, hang it in your bathroom. You're looking for trouble. And if you have acne prone skin, it is terrible for you because all that bacteria you just washed off is waiting on that towel. The next time you use it to clean your face, you reintroduce it back onto your skin. And I'm sure you're wondering, what should I use? This right here. This is the best option for you because it is disposable, and if you store it properly, you can avoid dust. You just take out one, use it to pat your face dry, and you dispose it. So make sure you invest in one of these, okay? Number 6, not using sunscreen daily, even when you are at home. Ladies, if you are currently working with a skincare expert who hasn't recommended sunscreen up until now, you need to run. But with the way skincare has become a staple in the Nigerian culture now, you're hearing more of use sunscreen because the sun affects everybody. So sunscreen is essential. It is absolutely important when it comes to your skincare journey. Don't only use it when you're going out. Even if you're going to be at home all day, still apply your sunscreen. That is what my dermatologist told me. Right now I am filming. I'm at home. I'm not going anywhere, but guess what? I have applied my sunscreen. So sunscreen is absolutely important. Number 7, using the same routine for morning and night. That doesn't work at all because your morning routine is all about protecting your skin while your night routine should be about rejuvenating your skin. For me, in the morning, what I do is I use my facial wash, I use my treatment, and then I use my sunscreen. But at night, I use products that rejuvenates my skin, promotes cell turnover, and I can wake up in the morning with my skin feeling really soft and really, really nice. If you've been using the same routine for morning and night, consider talking to your dermatologist. Number 8, over exfoliating or not exfoliating at all. So over exfoliation will be when you scrub your face every morning. My dermatologist told me that I should never ever scrub my face. Why? I have sensitive and acne prone skin, and anytime I scrub my face, especially when you're not using the right product for your face, you're creating micro tears on your face, which is not good for your skin. So if you have been using your exfoliating product every time, or you're using an exfoliating product that is meant for your body on your face, you need to stop that. If you've not been exfoliating at all, you need to start, because exfoliation helps remove dead skin. I don't have any exfoliating products that I use in scrubbing my face. What I use is a product that is also a chemical exfoliant, which is very paramount for ladies with sensitive skin or acne-prone skin. Make sure you talk to your dermatologist, or you do a bit of research and find a facial wash that is both going to deeply cleanse your skin while also exfoliating your skin. Number 9, bad diet. If you think what you put into your body is not affecting your skin, think again. Really think again, because when I started my journey, for the longest time, my skincare product wasn't working the way it was supposed to, until I went for another check-in and the doctor said to me, Ayanime, your skin should be better. Maybe my skin was at about 60%. It should be about at 80. So she said, okay, you know what? We're going to work on your diet now. Cut off nuts, alcohol, dairy product, and junk food for a month. It was very tough for me because I like eggs and I like yogurt and I like milk. So I had to cut that off for about a month. And when I did that, I saw the benefits on my skin. Sugar is terrible for your skin. Dairy products, nuts, alcohol is, oh my God, can be really, really bad for your skin. So I want you to do a quick test. If you notice you have acne breakouts more often, watch yourself. Maybe you can have a drink of alcohol or a dairy product, not junk food. But immediately after having that particular type of food, watch yourself for the next couple of days. If the first or second day you break out, then it may be that your diet is wreaking havoc on your skin. Another thing is not drinking water. You need to drink lots and lots of water. Stay hydrated as much as you can. I think they say you should drink about 1 liter, maybe 2 liters of water every day. I honestly don't know. But you need to always stay hydrated. It does wonders for your skin. Ladies, if you are enjoying this video and learning something new, do quickly like it and also leave a comment sharing with me all the skincare mistakes you believe ladies should stop making. Your opinion will be really, really great if you are a certified dermatologist or esthetician. Number 10, sleeping with makeup on. Makeup is a wonderful thing, but it already has a lot of things inside it that clog your pores, and it's just a lot on your face, and then you sleep with it. The way the body is designed, you have cell turnover at night. That's when your body rebuilds itself. Now imagine you making wearing makeup to go to bed a habit. You're hindering the process of your skin rejuvenating itself, which is not going to help your skincare journey at all. So if this is something you've been doing, you need to stop. Try and take off your makeup before you go to bed. This is essential to your skincare journey. Number 11, thinking that harsh products work best. I have a friend who thinks this till today. Even as much as I've tried to educate her and tell her that is not true, she has decided that when the product is burning her face off, that's when it is working. Please don't be like my friend, okay? Because that is not true. When the product is burning your skin, that means there's something outside the one that your dermatologist has explained to you that, okay, you're going to have a bit of a sting, you're going to have a bit of a tingling, which usually lasts maybe a couple of seconds. If the product you're using maybe will burn your face and they tell you leave it on for 10 minutes, please tell them no. You're no longer doing. It's not by force, because all that means is that that product is too harsh. There's something in it that is detrimental to your skin. So if you have a skincare product that will burn you, even when you've rinsed your face, it is still burning, stop using it and talk to the right skincare expert. Number 12, not being consistent. Skincare is all about consistency. I've been on my skincare journey for years now, maybe going on 3-4 years, and I have been consistent. That is why I am flaunting my skin the way I am flaunting it today, because I know the discipline, the work I put into making sure that my skin was receiving every kind of nourishment it needed. So don't be on your skincare journey today. Next month, you're no longer on a skincare journey. That is not going to work for you. You need to be consistent and do everything your dermatologist tells you to do. Number 13, changing products too quickly. If the product you're using right now is working, don't change it. If you also change products too rapidly, don't do that anymore, because changing a product every 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, that is just not financially good for your pocket. And it is also not very good for your skin, because you're introducing different things, different chemicals, different composition of products onto your skin. So stick to one product. Give it at least 2 to 3 months to be sure that it is not working before you talk to your dermatologist about changing it. Another thing is for you to be patient. Be patient with your skin. Be patient with yourself, okay? Number 14, constantly touching your face or popping your pimples. That was the first thing I had to learn. My derm said to me, Ayanime, if you keep touching your face, you're going to keep introducing bacteria from your hands to your skin. And if you keep popping your pimples, you're going to leave acne scars on your face. That is why my skincare wash is the holy grail. It has benzoyl peroxide in it. If I break out, I just apply it. 24 hours later, it's dry. So stop touching your face and stop popping your pimples. Number 15, not washing your makeup brushes. Be honest, when was the last time you washed your makeup brush? You need to wash your makeup brush at least once every 2 weeks, depending on how much makeup you do. I've seen some people leave their makeup for a month, 2 months. That is not good for your skincare. Number 16, not cleaning your phone. Your phone is dirty. Yes, it is. It has bacteria that you cannot see. It is right there, waiting for you to pick up your phone to answer a phone call and then introduce it onto your skin. So ever so often you want to take a hand sanitizer, that's what I use, to just spray on your phone and use a wipe to wipe it down. That will help with your skincare journey too. And finally, number 17, not washing your bed sheets frequently. I think experts recommend doing this once every week or once every 3 days or 4 days. That's how bad it is, because your body, the oils, the dirt, the grime is all on your bed, and then you're lying down on it with your face. So it's not really helping your skincare journey. Make sure that you try to wash your bed sheets and your pillowcases as often as recommended. So there you have it, ladies. Skincare mistakes that is affecting your skincare journey, and certain things you can do that will help you work on your skin better. In the coming videos, I will be sharing my skincare routine with you so that you can consider using mine, especially if you have acne prone skin. That way you can start glowing and looking and feeling good about your skin. If you enjoyed this video, you learned something new, to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, share it with your friends, and don't forget to click on the bell right there so that you do not miss any new video that I upload. As always, be kind to yourself, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.